Ready to escape the ordinary? Let's take a quick tour of Nativa, where wild beauty, stunning ocean views, and luxurious homes come together for something truly different. Whether you're craving adventure or the ultimate chill spot, Nativa's got you covered, with gorgeous condos, spacious homes, and trees all around you. From sprawling views to endless outdoor fun, this community is packed with surprises. We're exploring communities to find our perfect fit, and who knows, maybe you'll discover yours along the way too. Want to see more? We've just scratched the surface. Click to watch the full video tour and discover what Nativa is all about. Let's go!